Hello, today we're going to talk about the most recent data coming in, and we have Germany's inflation rate that has increased to 6.4% year on year in June, rising from the 14-month low of 6.1% recorded in May and slightly exceeding market expectations of 6.3%. And furthermore, the core inflation rate, which excludes food and energy, also saw an acceleration to 5.8% from 5.4% in May. Both inflation measures remained significantly above the ECB's 2% target rate, and this, of course, will lead to the continuing policy of hiking interest rates, and there are no changes within the short future to be expected from ECB. And also, if we look at the Fed statements, we have seen that United States GDP growth rate grew by an annualized 2% on quarter in the first quarter of 2023, well above the 1.3% in the second estimate and forecast of 1.4%. Consumer spending growth accelerated more than expected to 4.2%, the strongest in nearly 2 years, despite stubbornly high inflation. Spending on durable goods surged 16.3% and services rose 3.2%. Exports in the US were up 7.8% and imports rose at a slower 2%, pushing the contribution from net trade higher to 0.58 percentage points. On the one hand, non-residential fixed investment growth was smaller than initially expected, 0.6% versus 1.4%, and government spending was revised lower to 5% from 5.2%. Main drags to the GDP growth came from private inventory investment that was negative by minus 2.14 percentage points, and residential fixed investment, which indicated minus 4% versus minus 5.4% last quarter. The US economy grew 2.6%. The Fed sees growth reaching 1% this year. So altogether, again, a mixed picture, but still, if we look at the data and if we look at other asset classes such as crypto, crypto is doing quite well actually, and due to the fact that the inflationary pressure is still on and we still have central banks hiking interest rates in Europe and in the US, we still have to be quite surprised positively that crypto is holding up that well. We're now trading around $30,600, and it is, I would say, quite a remarkable trend that we're seeing within the crypto space for the time being. So I would say you could be in a phase where crypto can surprise due to the fact that inflation rates are still above the estimates that we're constantly getting, and we are going to expect that crypto is going to continue performing quite well as long as inflation is still on these levels. If you would like to receive more updates on what's going on in the market space, please like and subscribe. Thank you.